This is what you need. I really don't understand how this can be so cheap. A whole neighborhood selling parts. This is how they move cars. Good morning, guys. I am on my way to Qissa Khwani and we're gonna check out the street food. I have no idea what to expect, but I believe I have been there yesterday, but I'm not sure. Check out those buildings in the back. I have no idea how old they are. They are definitely old. Yes, he's explaining to me what these buildings are or when they were built, but I have no idea what he just said. Market is very active, as you can see. Got some figs over here, some bananas, alright. Yesterday we checked out the other side and today I'm gonna check out this side. Maybe we can find something new. I thought there were only two kind of sticks, the miswak and Assalamu alaikum. How are you, brother? Good? We've got ourselves some miswak from, I don't know, Pakistan or Afghanistan, and we're gonna try it out. Guy came up to me and he started screaming something, so I thought he wanted me to delete the video, but actually he was very nice. He was even recommending me some food stalls over here. So this new generation has been doing this thing called mewing. It's like the male version of the duck face, you know, and it's supposed to improve your jawline. This is what you need. Chewing trees. Naam ke? Naam?
Peshawari Chawal.
Yes, you heard it, guys. I cannot repeat it because I didn't. Peshawari rice. We've got a huge plate and we only paid 350 rupees, which is about €1.35. I really don't understand how this can be so cheap. €1.35. Look at this huge bunk of meat. Unbelievable. The meat is so soft, guys. It's like it is steamed, but I'm not sure if it is. Could be steamed, actually. And the rice has a very nice flavor. It is very mild, a little bit spicy. They don't use a lot of spices, but it still tastes perfect. I think this plate would cost at least about somewhere between 10 and 15 euros in the Netherlands. I know Afghan food and Pakistani food is very expensive. Okay guys, it was a delicious meal, and guess what, the guy didn't want to take my money, but because I made a deal with him, I insisted on him taking the money. 350 rupees, €1.35. We're gonna cross the road to see what's on the other side. This is supposed to be the edge of this Qissa Khwani market, but we always go beyond the edge because that's where the interesting things happen. I haven't been here yesterday, so we're gonna check it out. I hope I just survived the traffic. I have to say this side is relatively safe. Got a lot of rickshaws on this side. Look at this. Must be hundreds, if not more. Interesting place. If you need any parts of whatever engine you have, connect me. Everything is available, guys. Look at this. Assalamu alaikum. I wonder what they make in a day, because some of these parts look like unusable. There are also some new parts, apparently, or they have been refurbished. No, they're a little bit damaged. Interesting, guys. Unbelievable. Literally a whole neighborhood. They even have parts on the balcony, as you can see. Probably also on the rooftops. Yeah. Some of these look actually quite cool. Look at this one. Sports chairs. Very nice. Let's continue this trip, guys. I don't have much time left. I have to go back to Islamabad, and then I hope to catch a train or bus ride somewhere at night, probably directly to Chilas, which is somewhere in the middle of the northern part of Pakistan. This is how they move cars. It's actually a traffic warden, and he doesn't care who's walking behind him, just doing his job. So basically, alhamdulillah, basically this car cannot go anywhere right now until he pays the fine, probably. On the first day I was a little bit uncomfortable, everybody looking at me like who's this lost guy, what is he doing here? Some even thought that I was a spy from the neighboring countries or from some other country. But at some point you will get used to it, and it happens very fast here in Pakistan because it is so intense. I think already on the second or third day you can consider yourself no introvert anymore. It's time to go back to the hotel. I have to pack my bag, and after that I hope to catch a bus to Islamabad, and from there I'm gonna try to find out if there is a bus or train to the northern region of Chilas. See you on the other side.